of the journey. Haley is worried that Nick's disability is creating distance between them, but Nick insists he doesn't want his condition to be a burden. The tension is palpable, reflecting the emotional weight of the trip. As they traverse the vast landscapes, they face not only physical challenges, but also the underlying emotional conflicts that threaten to unravel their close-knit friendship. Their journey takes an unsettling turn when they check into a hotel. Nick and Jonah discover that NOMAD, a hacker who almost got them expelled from MIT, has tracked their location. The hacker sends ominous emails, intensifying their anxiety. Determined to confront their tormentor, Nick and Jonah follow NOMAD's digital trail to an abandoned house in Nevada. This decision marks the beginning of a nightmarish ordeal that will test their resolve and force them into a situation they could never have anticipated. At the abandoned house, Nick and Jonah hear Haley scream, driving them into a panic. They rush outside, only to witness an unexplainable phenomenon. Haley is pulled into the sky by an unknown force. As they desperately try to understand what has happened, a blinding white light engulfs them, causing their world to spiral into chaos. The sudden shift from a routine trip to a surreal and terrifying experience leaves them disoriented and vulnerable, setting the stage for the horrors to come. Nick awakens in a sterile underground research facility with a tattooed number on his arm, 2.3.5.41. He meets Dr. Wallace Damon, who explains that Nick is part of a transition group designed to help him adjust to his new circumstances. Damon reveals that they encountered an extraterrestrial biological entity, EBE. The reality of the situation begins to sink in as Nick watches footage from his own camera, revealing a brief but horrifying glimpse of an alien face. The realization of his predicament deepens his fear and confusion. Damon's explanation does little to comfort Nick, as he is shown disturbing footage of an alien entity. The sight of the alien face on his video camera is unsettling, reinforcing the strange reality Nick is now part of. Damon assures Nick that the facility is meant to help him adjust, but the lack of clear answers only amplifies his distress. Nick is taken to a room where he hears Jonah's voice, expressing discomfort. Nick's worry for his friends grows, especially for Haley, whose condition remains a mystery. An unexplained incident involving an experiment on a cow in another part of the facility triggers a security alarm. Nick, along with other personnel, discovers large dents and scorch marks on the walls, but Jonah is conspicuously absent. Damon informs Nick that Jonah was never recovered from the abandoned house, adding to the sense of dread and loss. The unsettling atmosphere of the facility, combined with Jonah's disappearance, exacerbates Nick's feelings of isolation and fear, highlighting the severity of their predicament. Determined to rescue Haley, Nick makes a bold attempt to break her out of the facility. However, his efforts are thwarted when he is intercepted and restrained. To his shock, Nick discovers that his legs have been amputated and replaced with advanced alien prosthetics. Despite his initial shock, Nick quickly realizes that these new limbs grant him superhuman strength and capabilities. Using his newfound abilities, Nick breaks free from his restraints and manages to escape with Haley, only to find themselves in the middle of a vast, barren desert. Nick and Haley, now fugitives, hitch a ride with an elderly woman who drops them off at a nearby location. Seizing the opportunity, they commandeer an 18-wheeler truck to navigate the seemingly endless canyon that surrounds the facility. The truck becomes their primary means of escape as they traverse the desolate landscape. Their journey through the desert and the canyon highlights their desperation and determination to evade capture and find a way to uncover the truth behind their captivity. At a visitor's center, Nick and Haley encounter Jonah, now disguised in a hazmat suit. Jonah reveals that his forearms and hands have been replaced with the same alien technology as Nick's legs. He theorizes that they are in Area 51, deducing this from their matching tattoos and the experimental nature of their situation. This revelation adds a new layer of complexity to their predicament. The trio realizes that their ordeal is part of a larger, more elaborate test, fueling their determination to find answers and escape. Nick's investigation reveals that Haley has alien technology implanted in her spine, heightening their urgency to escape. They drive up to a military checkpoint, hoping to gather information that might assist them in their escape. Jonah attempts to hack into the checkpoint's computer system to obtain critical data, but gunfire from the facility's personnel interrupts him. The gunfire damages Jonah's eyeglasses, impairing his vision and effectively sabotaging their attempt to access the necessary information. Jonah, now gravely injured, shares an emotional moment with Nick. He prepares for a final stand, determined to help Nick and Haley escape despite his injuries. Using his alien prosthetic arms, Jonah fights off the soldiers, showcasing his bravery and sacrifice. As Nick and Haley approach a bridge leading to the outside world, they encounter new obstacles from Damon and his military forces, heightening the tension of their escape. Jonah's sacrifice becomes a pivotal moment in their quest for freedom. Damon and his soldiers confront Nick and Haley as they reach the bridge, deploying spikes to blow out the truck's tires and trap them. Haley is evacuated by helicopter, while Nick faces Damon in a tense standoff. Damon taunts Nick, declaring that he cannot reach Haley. The confrontation reaches a critical moment as Nick realizes the full extent of his situation and prepares to overcome the final barriers standing between him and his goal. Nick, filled with rage and determination, discovers that Damon is actually NOMAD, the hacker who had tormented them. Damon explains that it was Nick's pursuit that led to this dire situation, taking responsibility for the chaos. Damon boasts that Nick is the perfect integration of human will and alien technology. Fueled by anger and a desire to rescue Haley, Nick uses his bionic legs to sprint across the bridge at supersonic speed, aiming to break through the barriers and achieve his objective. As Nick breaks through an invisible barrier, he finds himself inside a larger exterior facility. The facility houses an advanced, city-like environment labeled Area 51. The scale and sophistication of the alien infrastructure are astonishing. Nick's realization that they are not in a government facility, but on an immense alien spacecraft, highlights the vastness of their predicament. The facility represents a significant departure from anything they had previously imagined, revealing the true nature of their captivity. Inside the larger facility, Nick encounters a futuristic and complex alien city. The advanced technology and architectural marvels of the city underscore the alien civilization's capabilities. Nick explores the surroundings, trying to make sense of his new environment. The realization that they are on an enormous spacecraft rather than a government facility reveals the full scope of their situation, challenging their understanding of reality and the nature of their captors. The advanced technology and infrastructure of the alien city are both awe-inspiring and intimidating. Nick's exploration of the city reveals the extent of the alien civilization's power and control. The city's architecture and technology highlight the sophistication of the aliens and their ability to manipulate and experiment on humans. Nick's understanding of the situation evolves as he navigates the alien environment and encounters various elements of their advanced civilization. As Nick continues his exploration, he encounters alien beings and advanced machinery. The interactions with these elements provide clues about the nature of the alien civilization and their intentions. Nick's understanding of the technology and the city evolves as he gathers information and encounters various obstacles. Each discovery brings him closer to unraveling the mystery of their captivity and finding a way to escape the alien spacecraft. Nick's journey through the alien city is fraught with challenges and confrontations. The advanced technology and the complexity of the city present significant obstacles. Nick's determination and resourcefulness are tested as he navigates the alien environment and works to outwit his captors. Each encounter and discovery brings him closer to devising a plan for escape and understanding the true nature of the alien civilization. The advanced technology used by the alien civilization becomes increasingly apparent as Nick delves deeper into the city. The alien systems and machinery reveal the extent of their control and experimentation. Nick's realization of the technology's capabilities enhances his understanding of the alien civilization's power and their ability to manipulate and experiment on humans. This knowledge fuels his determination to overcome the challenges and escape. As Nick devises a plan for escape, he encounters more obstacles and confrontations with the alien beings. The advanced technology and the complexity of the city present formidable challenges, but Nick remains focused on his goal. His determination and ingenuity are put to the test as he navigates the alien environment and works to outwit his captors. The challenges he faces are critical to the success of his escape plan. Nick's efforts to escape culminate in a final confrontation with the alien forces. The scale of the alien city and the advanced technology present significant obstacles. Nick's resolve and ingenuity drive him forward as he faces the ultimate challenge. The climax of the escape plan involves a daring and dangerous maneuver that tests Nick's limits. The outcome of this confrontation determines the fate of Nick, Haley, and their quest for freedom. The final moments of the escape reveal the consequences of Nick's actions and the impact on the alien civilization. The successful escape marks a significant achievement for Nick and his friends, but it also raises questions about the future and the broader implications of their ordeal. Nick reflects on the experience and the lessons learned from their encounter with the alien civilization. The resolution of the narrative provides closure and sets the stage for future adventures. The resolution of the escape highlights the broader implications of their ordeal. Nick's actions and the successful escape have far-reaching consequences for both him and the alien civilization. The experience has transformed Nick and his friends, and their understanding of the world has been fundamentally altered. The conclusion of their journey sets the stage for future explorations and adventures as they come to terms with the lessons learned from their encounter with the alien civilization. As Nick and Haley reflect on their experience, they come to terms with the challenges they faced and the sacrifices made. The ordeal has tested their limits and forced them to confront their deepest fears. The experience has also deepened their bond and strengthened their resolve. The resolution of their journey provides a sense of closure and allows them to move forward with a new understanding of their place in the world. The aftermath of the escape leaves Nick and Haley with a new perspective on life. Their encounter with the alien civilization has changed their view of the world and their understanding of what is possible. The experience has also given them a renewed sense of purpose and determination. As they reflect on their journey, they begin to envision a future shaped by the lessons learned from their ordeal and the new opportunities that lie ahead. Nick's realization of the alien technology's impact on his own body is profound. The advanced prosthetics have given him abilities beyond human limits, but they also come with their own challenges and implications. Nick's adjustment to his new capabilities is a significant aspect of his journey. The technology represents both a source of strength and a reminder of the extraterrestrial forces that have shaped his experience. The alien city's architecture and technology are both fascinating and daunting. Nick's exploration of the city reveals the complexity of the alien civilization and their advanced capabilities. The environment is a testament to the aliens' technological prowess and their ability to create an intricate and sophisticated habitat. Nick's understanding of the city's design and function adds to his knowledge of the alien civilization. Nick's interactions with the alien beings provide insight into their motivations and intentions. The encounters reveal the aliens' goals and their approach to experimentation and control. Nick's ability to navigate these interactions and gain information is crucial to his escape plan. The exchanges with the aliens offer valuable clues about their civilization and the nature of their experiment. As Nick devises his escape plan, he relies on his newfound abilities and the knowledge gained from his experiences. The plan involves careful coordination and the use of advanced technology to overcome the obstacles presented by the alien city. Nick's ingenuity and resourcefulness are essential to the success of the plan. The final stages of the escape require precise execution and determination. The conclusion of the story provides a resolution to Nick and Haley's journey. Their escape from the alien spacecraft marks a significant achievement and a new beginning. The experience has transformed their lives and given them a deeper understanding of the world. The final moments of the story offer closure and a glimpse into the future, as Nick and Haley move forward with a renewed sense of purpose and adventure.